Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Nishtha Agrawal. I completed my MBBS from Maulana Azad Medical College and thereafter I secured an All India rank of 687 in this year's NEET PG, which was my internship attempt. Okay, so today I have come up with a video of mnemonics that I used in the subject of anesthesia. So the idea of this video actually came because I shared a mnemonic on my Telegram channel and I got a pretty decent response for it, so I thought why not share it online. Now, it's not a comprehensive list of all the topics, so the various commonly available mnemonics, I have not included those. So these are just the topics which, I found difficult to memorize, or I had a lot of confusion between two things. So I've created some stupid logics in my head, and I'm just sharing them with you, and I hope it helps you as well. Okay, all right, let's start. So alright, anesthesia made easy for you guys. So let's start with the colors of inhalational agents first. Now the mnemonic is pretty simple. It is yes to BD Pili. Okay, yes by S to BT P Li PI. ठीक है. So Y yellow is for sevoflurane, BD B blue is for desflurane, and Pili purple is for isoflurane. Now just to complete the list, red is the color of danger, so red is for halothane, and orange के end में there is an E, so E is for enflurane. ठीक है. Okay, now moving on to the two safety systems that we commonly use. One is the pin index and second is the diameter index. Now pin index. Now pin is for the cylinder. Cylinder is something जिसमें we can insert a pin. So pin is for the cylinder versus diameter is for the pipeline. Now pipeline ka we cannot insert a pin in a pipeline, right? But we can measure the diameter of a pipeline. So diameter index is of the pipeline and pin index is of the cylinder. ठीक है. Just to complete, so cylinder, it is a high pressure system. The pressure is 2000 psi, except N2O. N2O के cylinder का pressure is 760 psi. Versus a pipeline, it is an intermediate pressure system. So the pressure is 60 psi. So please remember, pipeline is intermediate pressure. It is not high, it is not low. It is intermediate pressure. ठीक है. Okay, now coming to the pin index of various gases. So air is the first thing which comes to your mind. First thing 1. So air का 1. Now oxygen O2, right? 2. So oxygen O2 to 5. Now N2 में there are 3 elements, right? N2O, 3 things are there. So N2O 3 5. Now CO2 is something which you kind of have to rectify. So CO2 is 2 6 and 1 6. Now N2NOx is 50% N2O plus 50% oxygen. N2NOx is 7 letters in it. So N2NOx is 7. ठीक है. Heliox is a mixture of helium plus oxygen again. Now helium again. The number is 2He4, right? Helium. So helium का number is 24. ठीक है, very easy. Okay, now moving on to the Mapleson circuits. Now Mapleson A is Magil. ठीक है, Magil. Now A is away. So what is away? FGF, fresh gas flow is away. So the fresh gas flow is away from the patient end. That is the Mapleson A or Magil circuit. ठीक है. Now B is both. Both the walls are close to the patient end. That is Mapleson B. C is for the corrugated tube. So whenever the corrugated tube is absent, that is Mapleson C. ठीक है, that is example ambu bags. Now D is Mapleson D is also called as Bayes, where now A was away, so D में it is close. So FGF is close to the patient. ठीक है. So Mapleson A FGF away, Mapleson D FGF close. ठीक है. Mapleson A it is a circuit of choice for spontaneous ventilation. Mapleson D के पास में क्या है? C. So Mapleson D is the circuit of choice for controlled ventilation. ठीक है. Now again, just to complete the list, E and F, E is Ayers TPs, it is TPs plus tubing, and F is Jackson Reeves. ठीक है, इसमें breathing back है. Both are pediatric circuits, less than 6 years, less than 20 kg. Okay, now very important, this year's NEET PG 24, this year's question it was asked, nasopharyngeal versus Gudel's oropharyngeal airway. I always had a tough time remembering, so the mnemonic trick which I made in my head was, now Gudel's, पहली बात तो Gudel's oropharyngeal airway. How to remember this? Gudel's is a गुड़िया, ठीक है, which गुड़िया you keep in the mouth, right? Mouth or oropharynx. So Gudel's oropharyngeal airway. गुड़िया Gudel's you keep in the mouth or oropharynx. अब ये जब गुड़िया माउथ में रखी तो पेशेंट अनकॉन्शियस हो जाएगा ऑब्वियसली. सो Gudel's गुड़िया kept in the mouth or oropharynx. So Gudel's oropharyngeal for unconscious patient and nasopharyngeal airways for conscious patient. ठीक है. These are the two images. I think Gudel's was asked in the exam. Okay, now coming to RAE tubes, again, I got a lot of confusion, so just visualize with me. Now south RAE tube, the tube is going to the south. tube डाली and it is going to the south. So the upper part of the face is free for surgery, right? So it is used for PNS surgeries. North RE के अंदर the tube is going to the north. So the lower part is free for surgery. So it is used for dental surgeries. Alright, now coming to the colors. So the color of the venturi mask, again very important previous year topic, asked multiple times, especially in INI exams. So venturi का color का mnemonic, again very easy, very simple, good to remember. BV sung OU room गए, BV sung OY room R गए G, ठीक है. Blue, white, orange, yellow, red and green, ठीक है. Now starting with the number is 24. तो blue 24 and keep adding 4 तो 24% oxygen, add 4, 28, 32, 36, 40, लास्ट में green का 60 बस. G looks like 6, तो green का 60, ठीक है. एंड फ्लो रेट क्या है, 24 है तो 2 to 4 एंड देन कीप एडिंग 2. सो 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12 एंड 12 to 15, 12 to 15, 12 to 14, ठीक है. Okay, now coming to the color of the cannulas. Now the trick which I made for myself, जिससे मुझे याद रहता था, was OGG, GG sister, right? So OGG पर बोले yes to purple, ठीक है. ऑरेंज, ग्रे, ग्रीन, पिंक, ब्लू, येलो, पर्पल. अब ये GG है, GG को डिफ्रेंशिएट करने के लिए हमने बीच में एक वाइट डाल दिया, ठीक है. नाउ नंबर इज 14, 14 से शुरू किया, सो 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. अगेन वाइट बीच में है, 16, 18 के बीच में क्या आता है, 17. दैट इज 17 गेज वाइट, ठीक है. एक दो बार आप बोलोगे, इट विल गेट टू यू. Okay, now the color of Foley's and NG tube, the color coding is the same. It is a very pretty mnemonic. I'm sure you almost know. Gori in Punjab, ठीक है. Green, orange, red, yellow, purple or violet, same thing, and then blue. Again, our number is 14. So here the number is 14. Here the number is 14. So 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Okay. Now coming to the referral timing in surgeries, ठीक है. अब this is also something which I had a lot of trouble remembering. So इसको थोड़ा लॉजिकली समझो. जब भी आपने स्टेंट डाला, दो तरह का स्टेंट है, या तो बेयर मेटल है या ड्रग इल्यूटिंग है. अगर बेयर मेटल है तो यू कैन डू सर्जरी आफ्टर 1 month, ठीक है. अगर ड्रग इल्यूटिंग स्टेंट है तो उसमें ज़्यादा टाइम क्यों लगेगा, बिकॉज ड्रग जो है वो एपिथेलियम को वापस एपिथेलाइज नहीं होने दे रहा है. इट कीप्स इरोडिंग द एपिथेलियम. सो ड्रग इल्यूटिंग विल नीड मोर टाइम. तो 1 month फॉर बेयर मेटल, ड्रग इल्यूशन के लिए 6 months, ठीक है. अगर बाईपास किया है, बाईपास में देर आर 6 letters, so 6 weeks. एंड इफ MI वॉज मैनेज्ड कंजर्वेटिवली, सो MI हैज़ 2 letters, so 2 months, ठीक है. Very stupid, I know, but if it gets the work done, then go for it, guys. Okay, all right. Now coming to oxygen delivery devices. Now first and foremost thing to understand is low flow कौन सा है, high flow कौन सा है. So low flow we have 3, nasal prongs, Hudson's oxygen mask and NRBM. And Venturi is high flow. ये कन्फ्यूजन लोग करते हैं. NRBM का 85% देख के हमें लगता है इट इज़ हाई फ्लो, बट नो, NRBM इज़ लो फ्लो एंड वेंचुरी इज़ हाई फ्लो. फर्स्ट थिंग दिस, ठीक है. अब इसको याद कैसे करना है, कितना % ऑक्सीजन एट व्हाट रेट, ठीक है. सो वील राइट इट इन सीक्वेंस. नेजल प्रॉन्ग फॉलोड बाय 2 मास्क है, ऑक्सीजन मास्क एंड वेंचुरी मास्क. सेम से दिखते हैं. सो नेजल प्रॉन्ग्स, ऑक्सीजन मास्क एंड वेंचुरी मास्क, ठीक है. उसके बाद NRBM एंड देन HFNC, हाई फ्रिक्वेंसी नेजल कैनुला, ठीक है. 40% ऑक्सीजन से हम शुरू करेंगे नेजल प्रॉन्ग्स में एंड देन वील कीप एडिंग 20. सो 40% देन 60%. अब ऑक्सीजन मास्क, वेंचुरी मास्क दोनों मास्क है तो इन दोनों में ही 60%. NRBM में फिर 20 ऐड कर दो, 80%, और HFNC में फिर 20 ऐड कर दो, 100%. सो 40, 60, 60, 80 एंड 100, ठीक है. फ्लो रेट क्या है, 5 से हमने शुरू किया. सो 5, 10, 15. अब 15 का 15 ही रहेगा यहाँ पे एंड देन लास्ट में बस 60. HFNC यू हैव टू रिमेंबर 160, रेस्ट ऑल इट्स अ सीक्वेंस. आई एम श्योर यू रिमेंबर. Okay, all right guys, so this was it. Like I said, it was not a comprehensive collection of all the topics from anesthesia, but just a few topics from here and there which I found difficult to remember. I hope it helps you guys, and if you find it useful, please do mention it in the comments below, and also do let me know if you need such more if you need such mnemonics of other subjects and other topics as well. All right then, see you soon.